Be ready? Start. Disposed of expeditiously stop stanza by the Code of Civil Procedure within bracket Amendment Act 2002, a proviso has been added to Order 6 Rule 17, which restricts the courts from permitting an amendment to be allowed in the pleadings either of the parties if at the time of filing an application for amendment the trial has already commenced. Stop. However, court may allow amendment if it is satisfied that in spite of due diligence the party could not have raised the matter before the commencement of trial. Stop. So far as proviso to Order 6 Rule 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure is concerned, we shall deal with it later. Stop stanza. Keeping these principles in our mind, let us now consider whether the High Court as well as the trial court had erred in rejecting the application for amendment of the written statement filed by the appellants. Stop stanza. A bare perusal of the order rejecting the application for amendment of the written statement indicates that while rejecting the application for amendment of the written statement, the High Court as well as the trial court based their decisions mainly on three grounds. Stop. The first ground was that since the appellants had made certain admissions in the written statement, its amendment cannot be allowed, permitting the appellants to withdraw their admission made in the same. Stop. Secondly, the question of limitation cannot be allowed to be raised by way of an amendment of the written statement. And lastly, inconsistent pleas in written statement cannot also be allowed to be raised by seeking any amendment. Stop stanza. So far as the second ground for rejection of the amendment of the written statement is concerned, we do not like to delve in detail in view of the decision of this court in the case of Raja Tilak versus Surendra and others within bracket 2001 SCC 472. Stop. In para 6, this court observed. Stop stanza. If the aforesaid test is applied in the instant case, the amendment short could not be declined. Stop. The dominant purpose of allowing the amendment is to minimize the litigation. Stop. The plea that the relief sought by way of amendment was barred by time as arguable in the circumstances of the case, as is evident from the perusal of averments made in paras 8 within bracket A to 8 within bracket F of the plaint, which were sought to be incorporated by way of amendment. Stop. We feel that in the circumstances of the case, the plea of limitation being disputed could be made a subject matter of the issue after allowing the amendment prayed for. Stop over.